Hey guys, welcome back. This is going to be a short video, and in this video I'm going to turn on my settings sync on VS Code to get back my previous settings from my old machine. So let's quickly open up VS Code and turn on settings sync. So what settings sync does is it takes your extensions from your old machine and your settings and basically your themes and all that keyboard shortcuts and brings it to this machine, so you don't have to do it all over again. So you just have to go to turn on settings sync and sign in and turn on. So I'll sign in with GitHub. So I'll quickly just stop the video and sign in. Okay, so we have signed into GitHub, and you can see here we have conflicts detected. So basically it means there are settings here that aren't that weren't available on my previous machine, so they're basically conflicting. So I'll just say replace local, so to replace the one on this machine with what I have already. So replace local. So this needs me to restart the machine, so let's restart the VS Code. So let's restart. Now my settings have all synced up. Checking my extensions, I can see I have all the extensions from my previous device installed here, though I still have to install some applications like Python. Okay, Python comes pre-installed with the Chromebook. To watch a video on how to install and start using Python on the Chromebook, check this video out. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. And to learn about how to install Node.js, please stay tuned for the next video or the next update.